Starting around 30 July 2023, Jasmy coin truly is exchanging at $0.004 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.06% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, which generally is genuinely critical. Jasmy in a real sense has an in every way that really matters, all-out market cap of $192,676,833, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $31,248,524. This truly makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, in every practical sense, positioning at 143 in the cryptographic money market, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. On the off chance that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what is the Jasmy coin cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Jasmy coin explicitly be extremely worth in 2023, truly in spite of mainstream thinking? Is Jasmy coin a for the most part wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023? Will Jasmy value sort of outperform its untouched kind of high in an especially large manner? These are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2023. As per the Jasmy coin conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Jasmy cost is supposed to explicitly cross a normal value level of $0.005, the normal sort of least value worth of Jasmy coin, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to for the most part be $0.005, which generally is very huge. Besides, Jasmy can in every practical sense arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $0.005. Jasmy coin value conjecture July 2023. The extremely normal cost of Jasmy coin, Jasmy, could go to $0.004 toward the finish of July 2023. Jasmy could in a real sense exchange around a greatest worth of $0.004, with the in every practical sense least expected cost of $0.004, which most certainly is very critical. Jasmy value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Jasmy coin in a real sense is estimated to be at around an exceptionally least worth of $0.004, which essentially is genuinely critical. The Jasmy coin value worth can arrive at a sort of limit of $0.004, with the really normal exchanging worth of $0.004 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. Jasmy coin value expectation September 2023. The cost of Jasmy coin is especially anticipated to truly reach at any rate worth of $0.004 in September 2023. The Jasmy cost could generally arrive at a greatest worth of $0.005, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.004 all through 2023, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin value conjecture October 2023. The in every practical sense normal cost of Jasmy coin, Jasmy, could in a real sense go to $0.005 toward the finish of October 2023, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Jasmy could really be exchanging around and in every practical sense most extreme worth of $0.005, with the base expected cost of $0.004. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value conjecture November 2023. The Jasmy coin, Jasmy, cost for November 2023 may arrive at a really least worth of $0.005, while the most extreme gauge cost certainly is around $0.005, or so they truly thought. The by and large normal cost for Jasmy especially is anticipated to especially reach $0.005 in November 2023 in an essentially enormous way. Jasmy coin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Jasmy coin in every way that really matters is especially anticipated to generally reach at a very least worth of $0.005 in December 2023, which by and large is very huge. The Jasmy cost could especially arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $0.005, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.005 all through 2023. Jasmy coin fundamentally passed value examination in the exact beyond 24 hours. The crypto essentially has been truly diminished by 1.41% in its, for the most part, current worth, or so they in every practical sense thought. In the event that we truly look at the especially current market cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's you can especially see that the market cap sort of is likewise down in every practical sense, large way. From fundamentally most recent 7 days, the Jasmy by and large was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.06%, or so they essentially thought. Jasmy coin truly has shown extremely kind of solid truly potential of late, and this could be very great chance to in every way that really matters. Dive right in and contribute, which certainly is genuinely critical. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Jasmy explicitly diminished by 42.399%, taking out an incredible genuinely normal amount of $0.003 from its truly current worth, which truly is genuinely huge. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be an excellent generally purchase a valuable open door for especially speedy venture. Certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change truly is near 24.62%, and the cost essentially coursed from a really least in every practical sense, normal cost of $0.005 to genuinely greatest extremely normal cost of $0.005 in the very beyond 90 days, showing that starting around 30 July 2023 Jasmy coin in a real sense is exchanging at $0.004 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.06% in genuinely most recent 1 hour in an exceptionally significant manner. In every practical sense, most recent 4 months Jasmy coin especially has shown a developing pattern in an especially significant manner. Accordingly, we sort of think that comparable pieces of the market truly were very famous at that period, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. As per the sort of the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Jasmy coin generally is expanded from 4 months, or so they truly thought. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost. The coin is up by 8.80%. With the most extreme certainly normal cost of the coin sort of was around $0.003 and the fundamentally least truly normal cost of by and large was around $0.003 and truly beyond 4 months, showing that Jasmy coin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Jasmy coin is essentially anticipated to especially reach at a kind of least worth of $0.005 in December 2023 in an unobtrusive way. Jasmy coin value estimate 2023 facts. What will be Jasmy coin essentially worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? The Jasmy cost for the most part is estimated to arrive at a really greatest degree of $0.005, with especially least cost of $0.005 toward the finish of 2023, which by and large is genuinely critical. Does Jasmy coin most certainly have a future, which essentially is genuinely critical? As far as value, Jasmy coin generally has an extraordinary genuinely potential to arrive at new levels, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking fundamentally. It essentially is estimate that Jasmy will increment in esteem, or so they most certainly